Hi, good afternoon, folks. Thanks again for tuning in. We're here with two really special individuals that we're actually putting on an event together coming on September 26th. So I have today with us, we have Ryan Clausell with Beattie Development. We have Bradford with Royal Shell, and we're going to talk to you folks about an event that's happening on the 26th, right?
That's right. Yes, guys, on September 26th, 5:30 to 7:30, we have a home buyers workshop at our model 4402 Chiquita Boulevard South. You guys got to come out. I know we're always talking about selling homes and promotions and things that we have going on, but at the same time, our main focus is to educate buyers as well. There's a lot that goes into buying a home, and we want to educate you, get you involved, let you know the ins, the outs, the ups, downs, the lefts, the right. And since Bradford is the one who had this wonderful idea and is going to host the event, I'm going to turn it over to him to give you the rest of the info.
Thank you. Bradford Bateman again with Royal Shell, and the purpose of this event is to help you out. There's a lot to know when buying a home. Florida is definitely different than almost any other state in the country, and we're here to help, and I'm here personally to help be your guide throughout the transaction all the way to the closing table.
So again, folks, we're going to have a number of different licensed professionals there. We'll have a licensed insurance agent. We'll have a credit repair restoration individual. Obviously, we'll talk about the new construction part, the importance of having a licensed realtor, and then again, the financing that puts it all together. So again, folks, look forward to seeing you. We'll have our contact information listed down here, and please keep an eye on our follow-up video.